Hey, what is up? Welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for viewing. I am here to hopefully help you on your journey to becoming a software engineer. This video is going to be shorter than the previous one because all we're covering today is resolving merge conflicts. Be it on your local machine or on GitHub, we're just going to be resolving these. We're going to get to the nitty-gritty. We're going to be short, quick, simple. Again, I don't know what I'm doing with these. I filmed my intros on the camera, and then something happens. That footage is just like it's not usable. So, editing Alex is here to save the day and give you the intro that you deserve. So yeah, I guess we can just get into this video now. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. We can just get into resolving merge conflicts. So it's not that easy to replicate a merge conflict when you're not authentically just falling into a merge conflict. However, I'm gonna try to emulate this. Right now, I'm not on my actual, my own, I'm on my dummy GitHub in this incognito window, and then this is my main GitHub, which is actually connected to this. That's why I'm using this to make these changes. But yeah, I'm just gonna update this. I guess this will also show you how you can make a quick change. Okay, so I'm going to make these changes, and now I'm going to merge them. And on this one, I'm also going to branch out. Check out -b home page. I will commit these. And home page. Right, and then this one has been, didn't merge it. Okay, cool. So I think I'll be able to show you two different ways that we can resolve merge conflicts. The first one, okay, so like let's say like, okay, hey, I've just pulled this stuff into master, you need to pull this down now. Right, and then I'll okay, so now this is one. So right, so we're encountering a merge conflict. I'm so happy this worked. Now this is a merge conflict. This is what it looks like if you're using something like VS Code or Atom. It'll most likely highlight the differences between the two commits. This is the current change. This is the stuff that I just added, and then these are the incoming changes from the master branch that were just merged into the project. Okay. So here's the thing. We can just click on one of these buttons, accept current change, incoming change, or both changes, or we can click on compare changes, so you could see what's going on here. Okay. Shoot, you know what? I'm gonna see. We did this just so I could show you the two kinds of merge conflicts that we can do, okay? Okay, so now we're here with this thing, get status. Okay, so like either we'd be accepting the current changes, accept incoming changes, both changes. So we can just click on this button and it'll tell us and it'll just pick that one, right? Boom, it just picks this one. Or if we accept incoming changes, then it'll look like this with the thing 1, thing 2 from the master branch. Accept both changes, you'll see now we have everything. Another thing you can do, like let's say you want something from this and you want the rest of this stuff, then you can just like grab the things you want and move them up here, and then you can accept, right? You can alter these, and then also you don't have to use the buttons, like because when you're on GitHub, if you're resolving this on GitHub, there is no accept current, accept incoming change button. You actually have to delete these, and I will show you that real time. But here is how it'll look. You delete everything here, and then this will be the changes that are kept, right? If you don't want to do it that way, like look, I can delete this. And now I can delete everything that's in here. And then just make sure that you've deleted all of this stuff. And now we can commit these. Resolve merge conflict. I don't know. So like that's how you resolve a conflict on your local machine in terms of on GitHub. Now this is what we want. See, I didn't push this up because I pushed it up before we merged so that there's no history of that, just so we can see how it looks resolving a merge conflict on GitHub, because there are going to be times when you're either resolving it up here or down here, and I want you to be comfortable with both. I've seen a lot of people freak out when they see like they have to resolve a merge conflict. It's not scary, it's nothing bad. The computer is not going to die on you. Like look, this is it. The thing I love about GitHub is it's so intuitive and it's easy to read. It says, if you just read what it's telling you, this branch has conflicts that must be resolved. Right? You can use the web editor or command line to resolve conflicts. Resolve conflicts, they're big, bold buttons that tell you every step of the way of what you need to do. And I think this is super helpful. So when in doubt, just read what it's telling you, because it will save you so much time instead of just like seeing something that you have never seen before and freaking out. Let's try to read it and understand what's happening. Okay, resolve conflicts. See, this is what I was saying before. There is no accept incoming or accept new changes, right? It's all in here. We can still do that same thing, like, oh, let's say like, oh, I want this from what master has. I still want to keep that, but I don't want this from my branch. So we could put this here. How about it? And what else? I think maybe there are a few too many thank you for viewings. So we could delete that. And, you know, I'll take these out completely. And let's see, and now let's delete that. And then you can see this is still going on. You gotta delete that. And now you can mark it as resolved. If we still had that, this would be grayed out. We would not be able to mark as resolved until we've actually cleared this out. Just keep in mind, if you are resolving it on here, you really have to be careful. You have to pay attention to what you're doing, because it's so easy to make mistakes, especially since you're not in a text editor. Okay, Cool. Mark as resolved. Commit merge. Merge pull request. Okay, that is it for resolving merge conflicts. You've seen both ways. So if you have to resolve a merge conflict on your local machine or on GitHub, you know what to do. And I think you're good from here on out. Okay, that's it for the video. I hope you've enjoyed. I hope this has helped you in some way, shape, and or form. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there's anything that I'm missing. Please keep in mind that this is just the second video. There will be more videos going more in depth of the power of Git and all the things that we can do with it. Next video should be out next week. It should be out before next week, Friday. Keep your eye out for some content because I hope to bring the fire, the goodies, if you may, so that we will get pretty lit. We can turn up on I want this to be a channel where we can all turn up and thrive and learn and grow. That being said, that is it for the vidoir. And I'll see you. I will see you next week. Awesome. I will see you next week. Stay tuned. Stay observant. Observe. Look out for these videos. Look out for them. Because they are coming, they are here, I am here, and I will continue to post. I'm having fun doing this, honestly. This is good tea. This is something I always wanted to do. I will make another video on that. I will leave you to it.